Taxes are always complex, and with the addition of PPP, farmers certainly have a lot of questions. Nicole is here with some answers from Greenstone Farm Credit Services. Good morning.
Good morning.
As we mentioned, never an easy thing to tackle, but especially this year where there's income and stimulus and PPP and things that maybe haven't been included before. What's on farmers' minds right now?
Well, the tax law certainly is not getting less complex as we continue. So last year, our farmers were the benefit of a lot of government subsidies. And then we had the glorious Paycheck Protection Program, the PPP program. And there was some last minute tax law changes right at the end of December that really threw all of our farmers for a loop. Here they were planning one way and they had to sidestep it right at the end of the year.
Sure.
So
as they are looking to navigate that, the piece of advice that I noticed from your email was consult an expert. Don't try to do this on your own.
Right. We all can't be experts at everything, right? So we are happy to help navigate through that complexity of the tax law. There are so many rules that have come with that PPP program. What's eligible, what's not, what forms do you need? And we're here to help them. And thankfully, at Greenstone, we have our tax professionals and we have our credit lending staff, and we're all under one roof, so we're able to work together and hopefully bang those PPP loans out for our customers because they really reap a lot of benefits from it.
Well, speaking of, there's a round two, and that has an even different look than round one, and so people are trying to figure out what they're eligible for this time around. Once again, help is just a phone call away.
Correct. So the PPP2 program actually has three different options. We have the first option, which is people that never got anything in 2020. So those are our self-employed farmers, no employees. They're able to apply this time around. We have ones that could go back at their application from last time and potentially get money, but the SBA is not even accepting that at the moment. And then we have a PPP2, which is for those that could prove they had a revenue reduction. And how can people be on top of all of those rules that go along with that? So we're here to help.
And your team is on top of those rules. And if we're looking to connect with someone, Greenstone has locations really across our area.
Correct. We have 5 locations here in Northeast Wisconsin. We're always happy to help. We are based in East Lansing, so we have the entire state of Michigan and then Northeast Wisconsin.
When we're looking ahead to some of those other decisions, we're going to need to be consulting with our financial institutions on in the year ahead. What do you see rising to the top as additional questions for people?
So one big thing is people like to file early, right? Well, the IRS has postponed the filing deadline to next Friday the 12th. So you could get in line, but please use the electronic filing system and direct deposit if you have some refunds coming. Our taxpayers were recipients of the economic payments that they received in 2020 or even early here 2021. And that's important to report to your tax professional too, because you might be entitled to get some more money. So we want to make sure we capture all of that for you too.
Your team has done a great job of kind of putting together a COVID resource area on your website. I found myself clicking on a lot of great articles and stumbling out of some things that I didn't realize were options for farmers. Why do you encourage people to give that section a glance? Because a lot really has changed because of COVID.
Oh, COVID's changed everybody's lives, right? So because of all these new programs, we want to make sure that our customers are able to take advantage of everything that the government has done regarding COVID. And unfortunately, we can't meet with people across the table. We would love to be able to meet with them, but it's just not in the cards at the moment. So we're trying to utilize technology and give the information out there on our COVID website. We're just here to help.
Well, that website, if you're looking to do some reading as I did, greenstonefcs.com, and that is also how you can find a location near you. Will you stick around for a segment for next week's show? Because I have more questions.
You bet.
All right, you can tune in next week to Midwest Farm Weekly because we're going to tackle a few additional topics on farmers' minds with the help of the experts at Greenstone Farm Credit Services. Make it a great weekend, everyone.